Thank you so much for tuning in. Mr. Mitsubishi here. Today in this video, we'll have a look how to make almost a perfect thing even better. So what we'll do is we'll put these side moldings on this Outlander NOIR Edition. So for 2023, Mitsubishi came up with this in Canadian market, it's SE trim level, so it has SE trim level but upgraded to a lot more. We have black wheels, we have black mirror caps, black roof option. This car looks so amazing. Upgraded interior, dynamic shield, and everything else. I made a video also on the NOIR Edition, so you can browse the channel and check what exactly it's all about. The only thing I would say it's missing to make this car perfect is side moldings, and in this video we'll install those side moldings. So by the way, if you want your side moldings, you head to mrmitsubishi.ca to place your order. It's free shipping to most places. So right now we'll proceed to install these side moldings. These are Labrador black. The other popular option is black diamond, but black diamond has a little bit sparkle to it. Labrador black is more like flat black. It's gonna match better together what we have going on with this two-tone black roof and everything else. So let's get that installed right now, and we'll enjoy the end result. So here's the deal with install. I've done quite a few of these installation videos and always say the same thing. So we prep the surface, which we've done it already, and then we align where we need to be, and then with masking tape we just stick it to where we want to be. Okay, so right now what we do is prep the masking tape before with the spots where exactly we need to be. And this NOIR Edition, by the way, as we do this video, we'll talk about it, what exactly you get when you upgrade to this Outlander. It comes in different colors. So this particular sterling silver, it's one of the most popular colors for this NOIR or black edition. Okay, line up. When you do it for the first time, just don't rush. Okay, so all the hiccups can happen only because you rush. If you don't rush, take your time, enjoy the process, nothing bad will happen, and you'll handle it beautifully. I get a lot of customer feedback, customers that put their side moldings before and after pictures. I love them. I always get excited to see how people do on installs. Okay, so we found the place where we want it to be. Sort of like step back a little bit, make sure we have it the right thing, and then it's quite easy. We flip it over like this, we remove the tape, and slowly, gently put it back. Flip it over like this. Don't rush. Not a race. Take your time. Okay, we got it. We got it. There we go. Okay, press it a little bit, and then once it's done, I have this fiber cloth. Then we'll just push it a little bit harder, clean my fingerprints off. Okay, we can reuse the same tape right here, or take the fresh one, doesn't matter, whatever works for you. Now we'll put this chrome line on there, and then we'll proceed with the passenger door. Just need to find the right stripe. And the cool thing about this black edition is, okay, so there we go, we lined it up. Now we can take it off, and off we go. Oops, there we go, almost dropped it. Okay, line up, sits on perfectly. There we go. And again, I press it a little bit, and then once it's done, we finish it off fully. And the cool thing, what I was going to say, it has a few chrome elements on it. So it has the chrome dynamic shield around the on the front, and then the rear, sort of where like the exhaust pipe lookalikes would be on the bumper, you have this chrome insert as well. So it has few chrome details that actually this one then is matching with the chrome detail on the door. So now, once we're done that, we proceed on the other parts on the rear passenger door, and same deal. We just line it up where we want it to be, put it in place. Now there's going to be a little trick here. Okay, a little bit higher. Because all these Outlander letters, they're all individually okay, perfect. We're happy with what we have. Flip it over and see how all these letters are individually right here. So we just need to peel them off one by one, and then once that's done, then we peel this off and flip it over. Okay, and now we took out all the letters. We peel this off as well. And this part we got to be very, very careful with, because these letters could technically fall out because they're all individually put in there. So there's this other tape that is holding it in place. But if we're not careful, we can mess this part up. So we got to be careful. Okay, we made it, we did it. Okay, put it a little bit force, not too much. And then after everything is installed, we'll use the fiberglass. Okay, again, same deal with chrome. We put it exactly where we want it to be. We take the red tape off. And place it where we want to be. Find the perfect spot. A little bit like this. Okay, now I can take, you know what, let me just finish it off with the fiber mat. Okay, now we can press a little bit more force on it. Just make sure it sticks. Take this off. Okay, and now we can step back a little bit and enjoy the end result. We'll do exactly the same thing on the other side. I mean, I gotta say, this looks like $1,000,000 now. So we really like how this black part looks together with all the black elements. This chrome light right here lines up very much with around the window chrome area and in the front, a little bit on the back. I like it a lot. This looks so good. I think it turned out great. So thanks again for watching. Very easy, do it yourself, just don't rush, and you can do it yourself. So thank you so much for checking this out, and see you in next videos.